Hi everyone, and welcome to July's episode of Cooking with Celebrate. This month we will be featuring our Essential Multi 3-in-1 shake. We will be making our wonderfully delicious and very summer-inspired 3-in-1 yogurt parfait. Come join us. The ingredients are 4 ounces yogurt of your choosing, 1 scoop 3-in-1 drink mix, 2 protein bars flavor of your choosing, coconut or dried cranberry or other topping of your choice. This is another really simple and quick, light, fruit flavored recipe to have during your warm summer months where you need to get your vitamins in, but maybe you're not drinking enough or you just are so hot you don't feel like having your multivitamins the standard way that you take them. So very simply what you will do is mix your 3-in-1 scoop in with your 4 ounces of yogurt. Now remember, your daily serving of 3-in-1 is 2 shakes a day. Each shake is 1 scoop. So this would be half of your serving that you need throughout the day. So we're using our raspberry flavored one, but you can use, if you want the citrus, you can use that as well, but we'll add that right into the yogurt. You could use regular dairy yogurt, non-dairy, any alternative that you have. This actually is a cashew yogurt, but you could use Greek yogurt, plain yogurt would be perfect for this. You want to actually make sure it is a plain or a light vanilla flavor so that doesn't impact the flavor of the 3-in-1. So you see, as you mix, you get this nice, beautiful, vibrant raspberry color, which will go wonderful during the summer months. So we will mix that right up. And then next, whatever protein bar flavor that you like, we have our berry or mix, our fluffy berry one. You could use our lemon, you could use the chocolate, whatever flavor you like. We're going to cut them, and then this is what we will use to layer the yogurt and then the bars for the parfait. So we'll cut it straight down the middle. So we'll first start by putting some of our 3-in-1 yogurt mix on the bottom of a bowl or glass of your choosing. And then we'll layer some of our pieces of our protein bar. And then we will do more of our yogurt mix on top. And then more bar pieces. And then the rest of our yogurt. We'll add some final pieces of bar on top. And then this is where you can top it with whatever ingredient of your choosing. So we have some coconut, some shredded coconut here that we'll add some to the top of. And then we have some dried cranberries that we can add as well. And you can use any dried fruit. You do not even have to put a topper on if you don't want to. And there you go, very easy 3-in-1 yogurt parfait. Thank you for joining us in this month's episode of Cooking with Celebrate for our summer-inspired recipe. Come back next month for our next episode.